Do you want to prevent water damage like this from happening to your patio, balcony, or wood floor indoors? Well, I'm Christy Wilhelmy from Garden Nerd, and today I'm going to review something that will help solve that problem. The folks at Greenstalk sent me their new Ultimate Mover to test out and review. And if you are growing plants indoors, this is going to be especially good for you. Or if you're using the Greenstalk 3-tier or less in an indoor space or on a patio or balcony. You know, the issue, we don't here at Garden Nerd grow indoors very much. We're mostly outside. But we do have some plants on the patio that have these watermarks all over the place, and I can never get those out. So this is going to solve that problem. How does it work, you ask? Let me tell you. First of all, it has wheels on the bottom, so it's easy to move around. It's kind of loud, but it moves really easily. The second thing about this that is interesting is that it has holes right in the center. So when you water a plant that's sitting on top of this, the water drains into the center and into this very cool drawer that collects the water. And there are chambers in here to slow it down, so it makes more of a snake pattern through here, so it slows the water down. And there's also this little water buoy that lifts as the water level fills, and when it reaches the top, then you know it's time to empty it. So it's pretty easy to slide this out and then pour it into something you want to water and place it back. Normally, I have a pot like this on the porch with a ceramic dish saucer underneath it, but that did not prevent it from getting watermarks on the brick. So this mover will elevate it even more and prevent any water from getting on the patio. And it's big enough to hold a 15 to 16 inch diameter pot. For example, something as big as this one holding my sad lavender over here. Or you could do a collection of pots, maybe 2 or 3, in one spot. But the angle of the mover holds the plants flat while the water drains to the center, which is pretty ingenious if you ask me. It comes in 4 colors and holds up to 300 pounds, so you could put something pretty sizable on top of this thing. And it's pretty easy to move from one place to another if you're chasing the sun through the window. This thing comes fully assembled, so all you have to do is put it where you want it and put your plant on top. So I'm going to do that right now. Set it on top and roll it into place. So if you've been looking for an excuse to grow more plants indoors or on your patio, now you've got one. Check out our link in the description below for a discount on your order through Greenstalk using the Garden Nerd affiliate. If you like this video or think that this product is good for someone you know, share this video with your friends and like and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on notifications to find out when our next video comes online. And consider becoming a Patreon subscriber to support all the free stuff we do here at Garden Nerd. Patreon supporters get access to behind-the-scenes goodies like monthly hangouts with me and expedited answers to your burning gardening questions. Don't forget to check out our books, our online courses, and so much more at gardennerd.com. Happy gardening!